Here's another fantastic creation by designs of Lori Whitlock. I'm calling it a medium explosion box. This one happens to be obviously a birdhouse. You remove the top of the house, as you'll see, and all four panels in their entirety fall down. So it actually works better to open it resting on a solid surface. And then the panels, when they fall out, reveal inside something special, in this case a little bird that's three-dimensional. And there's decorations on each of the panels, and on the two side ones I have little envelopes that hold cards where I could write a message for the recipient, or whoever's getting it could write a little message. And then it folds back up, of course, and goes back to normal. Here's a special one I made, just like it, although the bird is slightly different in the center. And this is for the granddaughter of a good friend of mine who absolutely adores little birds. And there you see what it's like when it rests on a flat surface and sort of explodes open. And so I hope Emily appreciates this when she gets it next week.